In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can send strike-through text on WhatsApp for an iPhone, Android, or Samsung. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to strike through your text, simply add the tilde symbol before you send your message. Now, for example, I could do something like tilde and then say something like thank you for 10K. And then all you have to do at the very end is just add that exact same symbol to wrap it up. And it's going to put a little strike through just like so. So boom, just like that. Thank you for 10K. It is strike through. Just make sure there's no spaces between those tildes and your text. And once you do send it, it's going to show with that line through it. Now, if you want to add even more fancy styles, you can use a font generator. One of the best ones that I recommend is texttrick.com. You'd essentially just type your message in a box there and you can browse through a bunch of different font styles and just tap copy on whatever you'd like and just simply paste it into WhatsApp. But honestly, if you're just trying to do a strike through, it's easier just to add those tildes like we just demonstrated real quickly. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.